Spiritual powerful being, welcome. Today we are to dive into the Mother Nature and her powerful role in managing stress and depression. I am doing this because I was a person who was a victim of the stress and depression. But when I committed to meditate in the nature, grounding myself in the nature, I conquer the stress and depression. Okay? You know, people, it's easy for us to say that the Mother Nature heals. Yes, the Mother Nature does heal. But how the Mother Nature heals, whether you heal slowly or it doesn't even heal you or give you speedy healing, it depends. The healing depends on the activities we do, the time and commitment, the consistency. We put ourselves out to the Mother Nature and meditate. Okay? The healing depends on the meditation you do in the nature, the time you take to go to the nature. Yes, Mother Nature is healing. Okay? So, I want to encourage you to tell you that for your spiritual daily practices, self grounding, meditation in the nature must be number one, number two, number three, number four, or wherever you fit the practice of going out to the nature. Okay? You must always put yourself out there to the nature if you want good for yourself, if you want to conquer the stress and depression. I have been there, I know. I know how it feels to be depressed. I know how it feels to be stressed. Okay? So, what support the Mother Nature to heal, okay, is a meditation. Meditation in the nature. Okay? Because when you meditate in the nature, you are meditating in the peaceful place, in a quiet and peaceful place that nothing is disturbing you. And with affirmation, okay, the power of affirmation is that the affirmation help melt the negative energy in our subconsciousness, in the state of our subconsciousness that is being affected by the depression, by the stress, by fear. Okay? That's the power of affirmation. The power of affirmation help replace the negative energy with the positive life force energy. Okay? So when you go to the nature, you go to meditate. It is something I have learned in my journey of meditating in the nature. In 2019, when I started meditating in the nature, I just go out for a walk and come back. I don't meditate because I didn't know. And so for the whole year in 2019, there was no change in my life, in my way of living. There were no change. In 2020, in the middle of 2020 until now, I started meditating in the nature. Okay? And what I have achieved in meditating in the nature is the mental peace, the peace of mind. And the peace of mind is the source to conquer the depression and stress. Peace of mind is the source to conquer the depression and stress. Okay, the Mother Nature heals the chronic stress and depression. Okay, he has power to provide the peace of mind over delusion, over negative thinking, over overthinking. Okay, hopelessness. Okay, we human beings to live a happy life, okay, which is not possible. There is no way we are always happy. But being confident, living a confident life with hope, that is all we need. Over all that, okay, it is impossible to be happy always. If you are happy always, then there is no life. Okay, so those are the things you need, and the Mother Nature will provide you. The Mother Nature will help you stay connected to the self with those affirmations where you will say you are a sacred being, you are a powerful being, you are strong. Okay? Those affirmations will help you stay connected to yourself and to the wisdom of the universe. They will help you stay connected to the true self, to your higher self, staying present in now. Okay? The spirit don't live in the future, and the spirit don't live in the past. The spirit live in now, because the spirit is now. The spirit has no future, it has no past. Okay, it's the beginning and it has no end. There is no end, so there is no past. Okay, so the Mother Nature will help you, provide you with that, help you stay peaceful, stay connected to the self, and stay present in now. Okay, the Mother Nature will help you increase the likelihood of taking care of the self. Okay, the mistake we do is that we don't take care of ourselves and we want to go to heaven. Heaven is our mind. The heaven is our mind. And what we look for to live in that heaven is to be mentally strong and emotionally strong. Okay? And all that you will get from the Mother Nature. Okay? That is all for today. And I encourage you to share your experiences. You can share your experiences with the meditation, meditating in the nature, self-grounding in the nature. What are your experiences? What are your thoughts about meditating in the nature, about going to the nature? And don't forget, when you go to the nature, don't forget to appreciate the Mother Nature for healing you. That must be the first thing you say when you are meditating. I am thankful. Okay? I am thankful to the Mother Nature for healing me. Or you can say it in your way. Okay? You can share your experiences with meditating in the nature, or even your overall meditation. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the Power of Ray, so that anytime when I upload the video for your enlightenment, you get notification. Okay? Have peace, enjoy, and be well. Don't forget to take care of the self. Don't forget to take care of the temple of the soul. Enjoy. Bye.